The Samsung Galaxy Note 21 is currently a big topic of debate, which I am working on a separate video about the future of the Note series, and that video should come up really soon. But today's topic is the Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition. Today we have our very first look of what could end up being the Galaxy Note 20 Fan Edition. Also guys, if you are enjoying, then a sub to the channel would be massively appreciated. So this is it. Now from the back we can see that Samsung has carried over the same design philosophy from the Galaxy S21 series, with the camera melting inside the frame. The color is this really cool white with a matte finish, and this is such an awesome color. The camera housing gets a different finish with the parallel lines, somewhat like the limited carbon fiber finish on the S21 Ultra, but not exactly the same. We have the Samsung logo at the back. Also, this back panel of the Note 21 Fan Edition will be made up of plastic. As for the cameras, we can see that it sports a triple camera setup with a flashlight present right next to it. It does not have a penta camera setup like what is present on the S21 Ultra, but because it's the Fan Edition, it doesn't need all the Ultra specs. The cameras will be of 12 megapixel wide, 64 megapixel telephoto and a 12 megapixel ultra wide shooter. The smartphone will have a 6.5 inches display of Full HD resolution with 120 Hz of refresh rate. The display is going to be completely flat just like the Galaxy Note 20, and also the Note 21 FE is not as boxy as the Note 20. It is more like how much boxy the Note 9 was. As for the unboxing experience, the box is very small just like the boxes of the new S21 series. Inside the box you will get the smartphone, obviously, the data cable, the SIM ejector tool, and I do hope that they provide us power adapter, because the Note 21 FE is not a super expensive flagship phone, and the usual buyers of mid-range smartphones don't have chargers lying around and might not want to or even afford to spend another 2000 or about 30 bucks on a separate charger. And I am not even counting at this point that we used to get decent AKG earphones with the phone for free. And because it's a Note, obviously we get the pen with a cutout to store the pen inside the phone. We also have a speaker grill and the charging port at the bottom with the buttons present on the right hand side. As for when we might get to see the Galaxy Note 21 FE, it might be coming late in the year, but no release has yet been set. But likely there will be at least a Note FE as suggested by the industry insider Ross Young. I do hope that we get to see the full-on Note series, but chances of that happening are looking a bit slim now. However, I will cover every single detail about the Note series, so to not miss on that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button guys if you want the Note 21 FE. You can also follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.